student. We're gonna play a beatbox challenge today. Okay, Andrew, so beatbox challenge. How this game works is all the drums have different sounds, and I'm gonna make the sound with my mouth, and we have to decide on the sound it makes. So go ahead, do you remember the name of this from the drum name game? What's the name of this one?
Floor tom.
Okay, cool, can you hit it? Alright, so let's say that goes kind of like boom, or and can you hit the snare drum? Alright, nice job, Andrew. So that goes, oh, I love it.
Nice acting too.
Yeah, that goes.
Really in character.
So what if we say this sounds like boom, and this sounds like does that make sense? Would you do it? Okay, so here's how beatbox challenge works. So level 1, round 1, I'm going to beatbox a beat, and you're going to try to repeat it with those two drums. Okay, you ready? Here we go. Boom, boom, boom.
Wait.
You want to hear it again?
Yeah.
Okay. Boom. Very good. You got it right. You think you're ready for round 2?
Yep.
Okay, here we go. Boom, boom. Boom, boom.
Oh wait.
Nice job. All right, you're doing good. Let's go to round 3. Here we go. Boom, boom. Boom, boom.
Can I play like this?
Sure, you can play whatever way you want.
Can you hear
You want to hear it again?
Yeah.
Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Ah, that's a tricky one. Okay, let me slow it down for you. Ready? Here we go. Boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Ah, you got the right. Nice job. That's great. Okay. And so it goes on like that, and then usually I level it up by like rounds, it could be like 1 through 10 is 1 bar. For somebody like Andrew who would have it already, I would probably go, okay, round 4 is 2 measures. So you got to remember 2 measures. And then, I would add drums. So round 10 is 2 measures, plus we're going to add a new drum.
Okay.
Or a cymbal, we're going to add the hi-hat. Now and then you develop a sound for that. And it works well with the young kids. So
Okay. Great.
the thing is leveling it up, right? So, I got my
Got it.